Imagine losing thousands of dollars because you sent the wrong product to your customer. That is exactly what would happen to your dropshipping store if you don't fix this mistake. Today I'm going to show you what this 3-letter acronym SKU is and how it could save your dropshipping business from a costly error. Hi guys, my name's Des from the Ecom Corner, and within our community I've been seeing this question come up a lot about SKUs within their dropshipping business. So let's break down exactly what SKUs are and how to implement them in your dropshipping business. Now, whether you're just starting out or you've got an existing dropshipping business already, this is really going to help you manage your inventory. So guys, let's start with the basics. SKU means stock keeping unit. A SKU is basically a unique code that you assign to a single product within your store. You can kind of think of it as the product's DNA. It's a code that is usually up to 12 characters long that contains important information about your product like brand, category, size and color. Let's say for example you're selling Nike shoes. Your SKU might look something like NK-SHO-BLK-42. And that's for a black Nike shoe in the size of number 42. And here's a simple tip for you guys. Keep your SKUs simple and avoid special characters that might cause scanning issues. This is where SKUs really become really powerful for your dropshipping business. SKUs are your secret weapon for maintaining accuracy across multiple suppliers and platforms. They help you track inventory across different suppliers, prevent ordering mistakes, and quickly identify products when dealing with customer service issues. And here's another tip for you. Always map your supplier SKUs to your SKUs in store. This will help your tracking in the long run. So here's my proven strategy of actually creating SKUs for your store. So let me share something most store owners don't know about. The George's SKU generator. This is literally the exact tool we use in our store to create standardized SKUs that scale perfectly with our business. So instead of spending countless hours trying to create our own SKUs, we just use this. But what I'll say is make sure you set up your SKU format template first. This ensures consistency across your entire store. So now you understand why SKUs are so crucial to your dropshipping success. And just remember guys, proper SKU management is the difference between success and ultimate failure. If you don't get this right, it's going to cause you some serious headaches. And speaking of running a successful dropshipping store, quite a few of you have been asking what are the basics of dropshipping. Well, the good news is that's exactly what we cover in our next video. I'll cover exactly how dropshipping works and how to get started. And if you want to connect with other store owners that are actually doing this, join our free school community. Hey there e-commerce entrepreneurs. Are you looking to level up your online store with AI and automation? Then you need to join our free community on school.com. The Ecom network is your go-to hub for cutting-edge AI strategies, time-saving automation tips, exclusive live Q&As, and a supportive network of fellow store owners. And best of all, it's completely free to join. So head on over to the Ecom network on School and click the join group to get started. Let's grow together in the Ecom network. This is Des from the Ecom Corner, and I'll see you in the next video.